Okay, now we go to the next question D. That is for us to perform a line layout. Okay, line layout here is where you have to decide on the 6 workstations that you have calculated just now in question C. Okay, we have determined that in order to perform all these tasks, we require 6 workstations. But over here we have 9 tasks. Okay, 9 tasks. So how to assign all these tasks into only 6 workstation? Ada 9 tasks tapi kita cuma ada 6 workstation. So some of the tasks need to be combined. So that what we call as line layout. Kita kena susun task ni dalam 6 workstation tu. Okay. So to do that, you have to look at the sequence. Okay. Hari tu saya dah tunjuk. By drawing a precedence diagram, we are able to see the sequence of operation or the sequence in the production process. Okay, sequence number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so line layout here. First thing is you draw the workstations. Tadi kita dah calculate. We should have 6 workstation. So you draw 6 boxes. Okay, representing the 6 workstations. Nampak tak? Okay, so this will be workstation number 1, workstation 2, 3, 4, 5, and workstation 6. Okay, now we need to decide what to have on each and every workstation. Okay, so for workstation number 1, tugas apa yang kita perlu ada ataupun perlu buat di dalam workstation number 1, our guide. Okay, kita punya guide kita, what should we refer is our cycle time. Okay, cycle time. Cycle time we calculated before, it is 12 minutes. So how can this cycle time help us in assigning the task into all these workstation? Cycle time ni bermaksud every workstation here is given only 12 minutes maximum. So setiap workstation diberi hanya 12 minutes. So in order to assign all these tasks, we have to make sure that the task that we assign in every workstation here does not exceed 12 minutes. The best is we reach the maximum that is 12 minutes. Okay, so let's start with workstation number 1. We have to follow the sequence. So look at sequence number 1 is A. Okay, task A. So definitely A must be assigned over here. Disebabkan A adalah task yang pertama. The rest depend on A. So A mestilah dibuat di workstation yang pertama. Okay. So how long does it take for A? 8 minutes. This is the task time. Okay. 8 minutes. 8 minutes is not actually fully utilizing 12. So maksudnya kita tak menggunakan sepenuhnya masa yang diberi. So this is not actually good. So we have to combine with other tasks. So to combine, you check task the sequence next to A. We check with the next one. Next sequence, we have B and E. So is it possible to combine A with B or not? Okay. A, if we combine with B, 8 plus 7, the task time, it exceeds the cycle time. So yang itu tak boleh di-combine. And A, if we combine with E, it becomes 20 minutes. It is beyond the cycle time, so A and E cannot be combined as well. Okay, A cannot be combined with other sequence because the sequences are too far away. The sequences are too far away. Okay, you just look at the next sequence. So what will happen is in workstation number 1, only A is assigned with the task time of 8 minutes. So now A is assigned. Now we go to the second workstation. Okay, you go to the next sequence because sequence number 1 here is done. Habis, dah siap. Second workstation, what are the tasks to be assigned? We have an option of B and E. Okay, so between these two, B and E, you have to look at which option has highest or higher task time. So between these two, yang mana masa dia paling tinggi? E adalah masa yang paling tinggi sebab B ni 7 minutes dia tak akan menggunakan cycle time sepenuhnya. So it is not good for the production process. So between these two, kita akan memberi priority kepada E, not B. Okay. So time over here is 12. Okay. 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 Some of you might ask, what happens if we combine B and C? The total will be also 12. Okay. Kita boleh combine task ni dengan the next sequence. So tadi kita ada dua pilihan. Actually we have more options. Look at B. B can be combined with C. B can be combined with D. So when we combine B and C, the total time over here will also be 12. 12 juga. E pun 12. So sekarang kita ada pilihan E 12, B dan C juga 12. Okay. So which one to choose between these two? You have to look at how many following tasks that these two options have. Following tasks. Okay, following tasks. So kita tengok B. Kita tengok E dulu E, the following tasks. Macam mana tak nampak. Okay. Okay, the following task for E. E, following task maksudnya task lepas dia, H dan I. Kita hanya ada dua following task. And for B and C, task lepas dia ada banyak mana? B and C ada 1, 2, 3, 3 following task. So because of this, we give a priority to the one that has more following tasks. Okay, so we choose B and C, not D. Not E. Okay, susah sikit nak adjust for you to see. Okay. So priority is given to B and C. So over here it should not be E, it must be B and C. Okay, B and C di sini. Time is also 12. Okay. So B and C are assigned. Okay, next we go to workstation number 3. What will be the task to be assigned over here? Kita masih ada E not assigned yet. So automatically we have to assign E over here. Time taken for E is also 12. Okay, so E is done. Okay. Then the next workstation number 4 here. Okay, A, B, C and E are done. We have now D and H and also F to be assigned next in workstation number 4. So what will be the best task to assign? So we have D and H. If we combine these two, we will get a task time or total task time of 11. So D and H will be here, which give us 11 minutes, which is close to the cycle time of 12 minutes. Okay, so D and H are done. Okay. The question is, in workstation number 4, can we combine D and F or not? Okay. Jawapannya yes, boleh. We can combine these two. Boleh. But, it cannot be assigned because of when we add up the task time exceed the cycle time. So, boleh combine ataupun tak, itu boleh. But we have to concern about the task time. Okay. Okay, so now workstation number 4 is done. We go to workstation number 5. We have F and also G. Okay, so F should be given priority, so F must be assigned in workstation number 5. Okay, time for F is 10. So F is done. Okay, some might ask, can we assign G and I first in workstation number 5? Because G and I, when we combine, the task time is 11, which is bigger than 10. Tak boleh G and I, because G and I must be after F. So make sure that you assign F first, then G and I can come later. So tak boleh langkah sequence in order to assign the workstation, the task to the workstation. Okay. And lastly, what will be the task to be assigned in the last workstation here? Definitely G together with I, which give us 11 minutes. Okay. Out of all the questions in the precedence diagram, this is the most confusing one. Okay, so workstation number 1, we have A, station 2, B and C, workstation 3, E, workstation 4, D and H, workstation 5, F, and the last workstation is G and I. Okay, can we add another workstation? Yes, we can add another workstation, which gives us workstation number 7. Boleh, but only for unavoidable situation sahaja. Dalam keadaan yang terpaksa sahaja, yang perlu sahaja, yang tak dapat dielakkan. How can we say that unavoidable situation? If time for G here is not 5, it is 8. Katalah time untuk G ni adalah 8. And I time is 6. So when we, in the last workstation 6 here, if we combine these two, 8 dan 6, dia akan menjadi 14 di sini. 14 minutes. So 14 ni exceed the cycle time. Okay, that is 12. So tak boleh. So what we should do is G to be assigned over here. Okay, G to be assigned over here. And last workstation, we should have I. So G time is 8, I time is 6. Only in that situation, only we can add the new workstation. Only one you can add, only in that situation. Saja-saja nak add, you are not allowed to add. Okay.